Hey guys, and guess where I am today? In Carstairs State Hospital. Yep, I went there. Oh, I came there. Yep. I thought there's only one other person I believe has recorded the actual hospital siren getting tested, and it was about 10-12 years ago, that video, I think. It was a long while ago, many years anyway. So I figured, I don't think Matt did this one, getting tested. I don't remember, but I thought I would come and do it. Seeing as I actually managed to get on my bus this time without having to chase it through Lanark. I've actually finished filming the test. I'm now sitting in a little village of West End again until my bus comes back in about half an hour. But I just thought I'd put this wee bit in before we get into the test. The reason for the funny camera angle and not really being able to point it at the hospital as such was because two nurses had came out on the lunch break and they were sitting on the wall next to the bus stop, like 2 metres away from me. And obviously they could see me. They weren't staring at me, but they could see me. You know, they couldn't not see me. I was right in front of them, so I didn't want to draw any unnecessary attention to myself, but not outside a place like that. I got enough of that at Ineos. So that's why I had to be very discreet, and you know, we actually were supposed to have the car here. I was supposed to come up in the car with my friend because it was the hospital. I was a bit like, I don't want to hang outside there on my own. Let's go in the car, park up, get it and go. But he's going down south tomorrow for a wee holiday, back to his hometown. So we discovered the car needed a few wee last minute repairs to make sure it was perfectly in working order before he takes it for the long drive. So it's back in garage last minute all day today. So I had to get myself here, and thank goodness this time I actually managed to. Right, enough cack. Let's get on with this. So yeah, the cars are going to start coming now that it's ready to go off, eh? Typical. It's still going.